Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
We are somewhere super cool. See this little photo stuff, and actually I can see all the houses. We're gonna be walking down this street just before we're gonna put it up on the map in a moment. But I was like checking out this really cool architecture here, including the space that we're right next to with this kind of stuff. And then that building over there, that looks amazing as well. I wouldn't mind exploring that as well. But we're gonna go down the street that we. But yeah, this is equally interesting too, right? But anyways, I think our street is gonna have this kind of shops too, and we're gonna walk down that. So let me put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. We are in Bangkok, and let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in the city. And just so you know, I'll be putting up a different slice of Bangkok from different streets every few days. So keep looking and you'll see some new ones. Okay, let's go check out Bangkok as if you're there yourself. Okay, so now you know where we are. We're definitely just going to be capturing a slice of it because it's so beautiful. I can't help but think this is like even better in the evening. The lights are on. I feel like this part of Bangkok is definitely underutilized, and I have explored here in these areas, not this particular street, but I have filmed in these areas and walked around, more walked around and filmed a bit too. And they get kind of quiet at night, which is kind of a shame because this would be beautiful all lit up. Plus you got the nice sidewalks. I guess if it became popular, the sidewalks would be crowded like other popular areas in Bangkok. But yeah, this is quite beautiful. And you have these little indoor courtyard things too. So I don't know. Looks like there's a business, so it's an open Old Town Gallery. So nice artwork. So I guess that might be this one. Since it's not so clear. But anyways, sometimes it's nice to see what's in the side streets and the little alleys too, because those are sometimes the most interesting part of any Asian city. Here's a Mora studio, Mora. This is a nice area of Bangkok. All these beautiful shop homes, I think they call them. Kind of another era back when they built stuff that's super cool looking. Okay, so now we're coming up on some more artwork. Let's see what's going on in here. Pull a little alley down that way. Looks like this probably comes out at night. You could eat in this area. Wow. This is like a really cool side of cool artwork in there. The ghost hiding in the boxes. This one is some deep analyzing into high spirituality and thinking. It's actually kind of this feels like that movie by the Japan author where Spirited Away, where they eat and they're gluttonous and then the spirits kind of get them. Wow, this is really like, wow, there's actually like, wow, okay, that is pretty intense. That's how they clean the streets. We have a walkway here. They have, these are all the these are vehicles for the city. You can rent them out. Let's go up. Wire's pretty close to my head. So yeah, you can actually let me see, 10 baht for 30 minutes for the bicycle. So I guess you can actually take a bike in Bangkok now. I wonder if there's bicycle lanes somewhere. Okay. School? I think a school just got out. So yeah, I guess that is a school, so okay. I'm not gonna put my camera in there because there's a school right there. Oh, there's a hotel over there, Kite Hotel. Actually, this school is kind of a long walk to get past it. You know, this one time, a long time ago, I did a walk across Bangkok and it took like a couple hours. And I think we're coming up by a waterway up here. I feel like I might have been on the street. Watsikhet School. Relaxing in the sun. Okay. I have been in here before, yeah. Here's all the tourists are coming in too. So I guess that's why, so I guess this is where tourists are coming in and exploring, and that's probably why we're seeing these shops. They're probably gonna ask me if I want to go somewhere. And it's like here's kind of a little bit of a map. We are here, so we're gonna be entering into this way in a moment. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera off, and then we're gonna go up by the water over that way, while still staying faithful to our street. That's the inside of it. So this was our street that we're going down, and I can see the temple right there. I have been in there and I have filmed it. Kind of tempted to go again, but it's really beautiful. But I'm not going to film it because there's always more stuff to see that I haven't seen before. And now we're going to be going up on this waterway, so I definitely want to capture what this looks like. See here, so we have Safran. This is some information that's kind of hard to read. This one is a little bit better. Mahanak Canal. So this is a little bit of information if somebody wanted to read it. Look how low that is. Jeez. It's a tall person could get electrocuted. Okay, this is beautiful. So yeah, so you can walk down these, of course. And the other has the other side too. Okay. So we're probably going to see a boat come through there any minute. So these are the canals that you can navigate. And there goes one of the boats. Beautiful. The other side looks just as beautiful. feels kind of quiet in this area today. I'm just really curious if it's related to the Chinese New Year holidays or not. It's not really like Chinese New Year like it is in China. That's a beautiful space. Okay, so we're gonna walk like that. I'm gonna capture that a little bit. I think this might be our street right here. So yeah, that's actually the name of our street. Then the cross street would be over there, so I can see that one. So this is the one we're gonna label it. So yeah, now you got another context of this bigger street. It's like not too far from that temple. That temple is so beautiful. If I remember, I'll try to link it at the bottom. Usually I put the last 2 times I was in a city or the same street if I was. And if I remember right, I'll try to link that one. All these little alleys in there. These streets are so nice in this area. It's like too bad that it's not like more activity. But I think in time it will be. In time, probably all these businesses will be in demand again, and they'll be open, or it's a holiday today. I don't know which. Okay, so anyways, I'm sure there's more to see up there, but I think for this particular video, we're going to conclude it. And we'll conclude on our little samurai right here. So that's another slice of Bangkok for you. I'm gonna add a little bit more. As I walk down the street a little bit, I was just down that way. We went over that bridge, and as I come over, we can see more like beautiful shops. And then I'm also seeing this thing right here. It's called Bangkok Art Walk. So I don't know what that refers to exactly. Could be from a different location altogether, but this actually says Lan Luang. And so there's Lan Luang is well, actually I just saw the name. I think it's that one right there going across here. And it looks like they're gonna build something on that Lan Luang. So I'm a little bit curious about that. And then even in this area, what I'm seeing is all these beautiful shops. I won't film the Lan Luang. So it has some meaning there. There's so much interesting stuff in Bangkok. Like a little bit of a bar, maybe something at night. So anyways, I thought I'd add on just a little bit more into our street name. And then because these buildings are so beautiful, these little shop homes, post office there, and then that art walk, which is particularly interesting. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and just take a peek around the corner, and then we're gonna close the video. But this art walk is pretty interesting. So I guess actually this was going for 2 days, and I guess it's 2 weekends in March, which is happening right now. So I guess that was just a little while ago, and I think it was like in this area, because this is what I think is the street, and that Lan Luang crossed the street. So anyways, yeah, there's some pretty cool stuff around here. Man, I want to end the video, but I cannot, because this is interesting too. This is a books and cafes right here. There's a couple of people in there talking, couple girls who met, looked like they were talking about something. Maybe it's a coffee shop and a bookstore. Okay, so we'll just come up to the corner and then we'll end our video. More cool stuff everywhere. Plus, I'm not 100% sure the name of our street right now, so I'll just film it up here. And I think that will be good for a video. We have a little bit more extra added there. Just give you some more context. More cool looking streets in every direction. Okay. So that was ours.